Hello everyone. I'm going to cook French toast. All we need to do is to have bread, some butter, egg, milk, and sugar. So this one I have mixed already the egg, sugar, and milk, and then I put the bread on it. So this one is ready to fry. So next is need to put the butter on the wok on the pan to fry the bread coated with egg mixture. So what is inside the egg mixture is the egg, sugar, and milk. So here on the pan we need to melt the butter. Okay, need to switch on the exhaust fan. So here need to melt the butter, and then the fire is low, or you can set on medium fire, and it's ready. You can put the bread on it. Fry the bread. I cut the bread to my desired shapes. So I cut it like that small, cut half, and one bread I cut it to 4 pieces. So just fry it until the bread turns to golden brown. So it takes like 1 minute to 2 minutes. So just let it there, fry it. So you can take a look if it is okay. Set to medium fire. So let's see if the color turns to golden brown. So still not yet. This is a bit soft and yummy. You can enjoy it with milk, with coffee, or chocolate, hot chocolate. And you can add honey or jam on it. Okay, you can turn it down. Our French toast in a minute is ready to eat. You can enjoy this French toast for breakfast or snacks if you like. So that's it, guys. Just wait for a minute. You can put it. Put it on the pan. Let's see if it is cooked. Okay, it's cooked already. So this time, you can fry it more, more minutes if you like a bit hard, or if you like soft. It's up to you. If you like a bit hard, you can fry it a longer time. Or if you like more darker, if you like darker, you can fry longer like this. If you like darker golden brown. So for me, I like this, and this is enough. Turn off the fire and put it on the plate. For example, this one. Put it on the plate, and you can add honey. Or if you have fruit jam, you can add jam on it and add some butter. But I don't like butter, and I like some honey, or sometimes I just like plain French toast for breakfast. Just plain like this. It's up to you if you like some butter or some milk, butters, or some honey or jam to put on your French toast. So this all, guys, our French toast is ready. So you can enjoy it with hot coffee, hot chocolate or milk. Happy eating. Thanks for watching.